Welcome back, friends. In this video, we will see how to create a Nearpod account and a student preview that's given in their web page. Uh, Nearpod is a presentation tool using which teacher can share the presentation with the learners and learners can join the presentation using a code. And learners can take part in all the activities given in the presentation. So it's very interesting, and let's get into the tool. Now let us see how to create an account in Nearpod. For this we have to go to nearpod.com and you find the option sign up for free there, or else you have an option teachers sign up for free. You can create your account here. If you already do have an account, you can log in to your existing account using the login option. And if you are an administrator who wants to use Nearpod for your school, you can just go and create an account here. And for students, it is not mandatory that they should have an account to join a Nearpod lesson. They can just enter the 5-lettered code shared by their teacher and join the lesson. And here you have a few more options like exploring lessons in Nearpod. If you want to know more about their pricing, you have got option here. If you would like to know how Nearpod works for a teacher, you can see it here. Check out the formative assessment here, and resources and other data are given here. So that's how you create an account. It's very easy. Now let us try to sign up a free account. When we click here, it takes you to a page where you will have to enter your details to sign up as a teacher. You can either use your Google account to sign up or your Office 365 account. If you have got a school email, you can sign up using it. And they have a condition that you must be over 13 years old to create a teacher's account. And as I said earlier, for students, it's not mandatory that they should have an account. Without an account, they can just enter the code given by the teacher and join a lesson. And even if they don't have a code, they can just Nearpod using Magic. The code Magic. So when you enter this code Magic, you will be taken to the user interface of Nearpod where you can explore the possibilities of Nearpod. Now let's see what's there. The pin I entered is Magic to see what's happening there. This is the first slide. This is how a Nearpod slide would look like. Here you have the option Next. This is a student preview. And when you click on this option, you can just change the slides. And here you can find an option Notes. This is how a student can save the notes to their email or Google Drive or OneDrive. Just choose this option and enter the mail ID. Done. You send after the session, the notes would be sent to the mail ID entered. And here it's given a detailed description of Nearpod. Nearpod allows teachers to share interactive multimedia contents. It allows teachers to instantly collect and share answers submitted by the students. It tracks the students' comprehension in real time. Great. And these are the contents we can have in a Nearpod slide. You can include a slide, a video, a web page, picture, streams, your field trips, open-ended question, polls, quiz, draw it, and audio. And here they have given a preview of the Droid activity. In Nearpod, we will see all these in detail. But now, since they have given everything in the intro, we will just see what's there. And here, this is the student preview. Draw a yellow arrow that points to Mars. Okay, I'll just try to draw an yellow arrow. I'll take this color, yellow. So maybe Earth and Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So I have to draw an yellow arrow. This is what expected. This is what is expected from a student. If I want to include some image, I can also include some image like Mars image. I can select this image of Mars. I think I'll use this. I can save and I can submit the image so that my teacher would get my answer there. So this is how with Nearpod you can share the student feedback for the correct answer instantly. Teacher can share the right answer. And in the next slide, this is all about the Nearpod VR experience, virtual reality experience, with which you can add virtual field trip to the lessons. And this is powered by 360 degree cities. So this is how we go on a virtual field trip. You can have the 360 degree view of anything. And teachers can include all such type activities in their slides. And here in the next slide, this is a sample of a quiz that can be created using Nearpod. And these quizzes are automatically graded because the teacher who creates would give the right answer there, and students can see the instant feedback on the screen. So that's the specialty. Teachers need not spend hours to grade all those things, and this is a cool feature of Nearpod. So here we have a preview of 3 quizzes. Mars is the 4th planet, right? So one answer selected. I gave it as 4th planet. We go to the next one. Mars is known as the ash planet, maybe the red planet. Then Mars is similar in size to, don't know the answer. Okay, I'll just give it as Pluto. I don't know whether the answers are right or wrong. Let me see. So here, this is my score. I got 2 out of 3 because one answer that was wrong, incorrect, and the real-time feedback helps to assess the student understanding and give instant feedback to the student. So this is from the student point of view. This is the last slide. So we explored everything from the student point of view, and now it's time to start exploring and creating our own lesson using Nearpod.